Holly from Baby Gizmo. Now we only have so many days till Christmas, so today I wanted to show you a last minute gift idea that I actually made for my dad for the holidays. I am super excited about it, and it's a craft, so it's like a homemade gift, kind of like a 6-year-old's excited about, a homemade, card. I'm pretty excited about this one. Here's what we're making today. We're making Scrabble coasters, and I love it. Why? Because it's easy to do. I love Scrabble. My dad loves Scrabble, so it's a great gift for a Scrabble lover. So here's what you're gonna need. You're going to need a Scrabble game, of course. You're just gonna need the tiles. So here's the thing. You can get the Scrabble game at the store, and it's gonna be expensive, 18 bucks or so. I found 2 extra Scrabble games at Goodwill for $2 each, so this was a great way to get the tiles cheap. I also heard you can buy extra tiles online, but depending on your time frame, how long you got to do that. You also need 6,000 glue. This you get at a craft store. I got it at Michael's. You're gonna need a utility knife. Any utility knife will do. You're gonna need cork board. I got this at Michael's as well. They came in a pack of 4 squares like this for about $10. So I had to use a coupon. Again, the craft can get kind of expensive if you're only making a few coasters. So try to, gift a few people with these. So you got the cork board, and then you need clear polyurethane spray. I got this at Michael's as well. So again, not a super cheap craft because of the polyurethane spray and the cork board, but doable. So here is what you're going to do. You're going to make coasters out of Scrabble tiles with a corkboard backing, and here's how we do it. Okay, first, you're gonna wanna go through your letters, and you're going to wanna make some 4-letter words that have to do with wine, beer, margaritas, whatever you can do. So first one I did was about beer. I did pint, brew, beer, hops. Could do another one about coffee. Now, if you run out of letters, which you probably will depending on how many coasters you're gonna make, you can use blanks. So for T's, I just used the blank because I didn't have another S. Then you're gonna wanna make 4. I would suggest gifting 4 at a time and wrapping it with a ribbon. I'm gonna give my dad 8. So here we go. We have my 4 words right there. You're gonna set them up so that you can do everything easily. Take your glue. This is the ETH 6000 glue. It really, really sticks. Now you can slightly sand the back of the tiles to make them stick better. I've already done that. And then you just take the glue and you put the glue on the back. Now, you don't want to go crazy with the glue because too much glue and it's gonna squirt out the sides. And here's a tip. Be careful not to get the glue on the top of the tiles, because when you spray them at the end with the polyurethane spray, you will be able to see a little slight marks on the top. So if you're anal, you wanna make sure there's no glue on top. Also, make sure you cover your workspace because the glue can get kind of messy. So again, you just put just about that much glue, stick it right there on your cork board. Now you wanna make sure that it is square. So I push it up against the corner like that. Then I do all 16 letters because you're gonna have 4 words, 4 letters. Like I said, not a ton of glue, but make sure it sticks and make sure it's all lined up square like that. Then you're gonna repeat it with all of the letters, and you're going to let the glue dry overnight for at least 24 hours. Now, once you have all your tiles perfectly in place and I do 4 corners. I do the 4 corners of the cork board to make it easier. Then take another piece of cork and place it on top perfectly, and to let it dry, set it a big heavy can or a jar on top of it, let it dry for 24 hours. Now, once you've let the glue dry, put it on a safe surface that you can use your utility knife, and you're gonna cut out the coaster. The edges like this. Now, once you've cut out your coaster, you're gonna wanna spray it with a thin coat of polyurethane, and that's gonna protect it against moisture and wear. And it also gives it a nice sheen. So here's the finished product. Here is before it was sprayed. So you spray it, and you need to let it dry for about at least 24 hours. It's gonna smell at first, but that will go away. So 24 hours, let it dry. Then you're going to wanna stack 4 of them like that. Wrap it with a cute ribbon, and that is your gift. I would suggest giving 4 or at least 8 as a gift because, if they have company over, everybody can have their own coaster. So that is how easy it is. It takes a couple days just for the drying time, but overall, really, really easy, really great for a Scrabble lover. And that is it. That's how you make Scrabble coasters. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Seriously, just hit the subscribe button because you never know what we're going to show you next. And I will talk to you next time. I'm Holly Schultz from Baby Gizmo. Bye.
Every day, I'd like to love you.